Wake up, man. It's time to make money. This is serious business right here, right now. We talk about over 700%. Daniel here, Trade Crypto Time from South Beach, Miami. I like to say welcome to our new members. Welcome to Michael, William, Susan, Sarah, Christopher, and Nancy. Congrats to Christopher. He just made $500. He just texted me. Guys, talk about here serious business, real money. Jupiter, Navicoin, ARPA Chain. EA Finance, Dep Radar, DFI Money. Guys, DFI Money. We made 300% profit on this trade right here. In order to find those trades, guys, my software calculate volume spike plus buyer power. Okay, if you know, and if you contract supply and demand, you got the pumps. Okay, so we talk about this is a serious business, guys. Oh, my software alert me on June 19. I shared this trade in the private list for $415, and you put a sell order right here at $1,800. We made over 300%. Guys, you gotta be asking yourself how you put a sell order right here at $1,800. This is a 1 hour chart. Let's go to one daily chart. On the daily chart, you can see this line here is called EMA 200. That means exponential moving average. What I do, guys, I do the homework for you. All you gotta do is to follow my trades. I'll give you the coin, I'll give you the buy point and the sell point. If you follow my trades, you make the same profits I do. I'll do the homework for you. I let the software track the market. I found those trades and I share in the private list. Our group make money because we trade faster than the whole market. Okay, so next trade recap is a Jupiter. On June 19, my software alert me. I shared this trade in the private list. We bought this coin for 0.0059, guys, and our order just get filled for 0.018. 200% profit, guys. Huge returns. Okay, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. I'm here. I'm to help you. If you don't like to trade, we can trade for you. Just reach me out. Okay, like I mentioned before, I control the entire market from this software. Let me show you here the volume spike on the last hour. Uma coin, the volume spike 50%. Good game guild. So I control the entire market because my software is tracking the first 3,000 coins with more volume. Okay, we make plenty profit here on this group. We are serious groups. We trade like a family. You trade like a snipers. Okay, the only thing I ask you for private list members is to don't share the private list. This is a lifetime opportunity. It's the way you can make huge returns and get rich fast in the legal way. Thanks for your time. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Bye bye.